Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the clan of the Owl in Northgard. The Owl clan, also known as Svafnir, is all about wisdom and knowledge. Their unique playstyle revolves around generating and utilizing lore to unlock powerful blessings and technologies. You'll start with a lore master building, giving you a head start on your lore production. This clan truly shines through strategic exploration and efficient colonization, making every new territory a potential source of power. For your early game strategy with the Owl clan, prioritize building a scout camp as soon as possible. This allows you to explore and discover valuable lore stones across the map. Focus on colonizing territories that offer lore resources or provide strategic benefits for expansion. Remember to convert some of your villagers into lore masters to significantly accelerate your lore production. Maintaining a balanced economy is crucial to support your growing population and continuous lore generation. As you move into the mid-game, utilize your accumulated lore to unlock powerful blessings and unique technologies that enhance your clan. Continue to expand strategically, securing territories that offer valuable resources or strong defensive positions. Consider building a second lore master or upgrading your existing ones to further boost your lore output. While focusing on knowledge, it's wise to train a small military force to prepare for any potential conflicts that may arise. In the late game, your primary goal is often a lore victory, achieved by reaching the required lore points and completing your final lore path. However, your lore-enhanced economy and military can also pave the way for other victory conditions. It's crucial to defend your key lore-producing territories from any enemy incursions. Remember to leverage your unique owl abilities, such as the wisdom of the ancients, to gain decisive advantages in critical moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.